through these. For those of you who are new, this is Phoenix Vibrational Healing and Beth Rosman's take on that. And it's basically sacred geometry codes that I transmit through the cosmos, through the Creator. And you will receive them when you tune in, and you'll receive them with your intent and your will, so that they will be only for your highest and best, and those appropriately involved in your networks, those you think about. And you don't have to be present with me physically to do them. Just by keying in on these words and this video, we will charge that they will reach you through time and space and only be for 100% in your highest and best. So with that, we will do the little start meditation, and we're just gonna close our eyes and breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth 3 times. And do a big in-breath, deep in the lungs, and exhale 3 times. And knowing that the space wherever you're at is 100% fully and completely protected, anonymous, and clandestine through only that which is in your highest and best, through only the Creator of all that is. And you establish this gold bond connection from your crown chakra, and establish that up to Source or to Creator, whatever you like to call it. And with that gold bond from your crown chakra to the Creator is where you will receive these clearings. And to receive them, you just think of this gold bond of light from the Creator back down into your crown chakra, all the way through your body. And actually even think of a grounding cord connecting you appropriately and beautifully into the center of the earth, the cosmos. And as you breathe in this connection to the Creator of all that is that you have, with your gold bond of light from your crown chakra up to the Creator, and from the Creator back to your body, mind field complex. Because as you know, we're more than just these physical bodies. We have many layers of emotions and mental activities and spiritual activities. And that comprises what I call the body, mind, field complex. And those are everything that gets worked on when we do this work, this vibrational healing exercise. So I'm going to do transmitting codes and frequencies to assist in the shock. It's to ease and to take down to 0, delete completely any shock, panic, trauma, negative emotional charge, fight, flight, psychological fight, flight, physical fight, flight, emotional fight, flight, that you might be coming online to now or at any time regarding, you might choose a situation that you just have experienced, or one that might be in your mind or your heart that you think needs some attention. And I'll invite you to think of that now. And just know that as you intake these healing codes and frequencies into your field, they're sacred geometry, and it's perfection in nature that we simply invite back into our fields to recalibrate and to balance out that which is discombobulated or disjuncted. And it literally, as we breathe these in and let the Creator do its work, it reestablishes that balance on the energy level, which then filters down into the physical level, which can assist then in healing body pain, headaches, sleeplessness, anxiety, just the whole host of things. So these emotional clearings actually have a variety of levels of benefit. I would certainly love to hear as well about any benefits or situations you might be experiencing after these clearings. I have been a psychic, intuitive energy researcher for 20 years, so I keep records of all of this, and it's always really good bodies of research. I divert from our clearing and meditation. Let's go back into that space and just simply breathe in and reestablish that connection to the Creator, as we did with the gold bond of light. It's already established, just simply tuning back in. And now with my will and intent, I'm going to connect in to the Creator with my crown chakra with a gold bond of light. And I'm going to project these codes and frequencies now to ease and heal and decrease down to 0, or the level that's best for you, all negative emotional charge, panic, shock, trauma, and everything I named earlier. And I'm going to broadcast these now. And all you need to do is do a clearing breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And I'm broadcasting now. integrate these codes and frequencies in perfect order of priority for everyone appropriately involved here watching this at any time and space now. Thank you, creator of all that is. Okay, great. Let's do some clearing breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And the last one I would like to do is to have you think about your ideal outcome for a situation that you might be worried about or that's on your mind. It could be for yourself. It could be just the project that's due by Friday, or it could be something for your family. And just let the creator of all it is take the work I'm about to offer up as a solution to all solutions. It's the solution of solutions that I actually got that from a good friend of mine, David Spear in Pennsylvania. It's called the Solution of Solutions, code clearing. And what this does is empower you over the best solution for you, even though it might not be the one you think, but it will be the best in order of priority. And it will be better than you can imagine. And it will bring the elements together around you and in you to assure the maximum and best outcome for this situation that you're thinking about. With that, I will just add in free will and ethics. So be sure that your will is your own and you're not trying to influence any person or anything unduly. It's just simply free will. But you can definitely have jurisdiction over yourself, your activities, and your projects. So that's what we're going to focus on. I invite you now to think of that solution, that ideal outcome. And you might want to do 2 or 3 projects. Some of you are pretty high achievers out there. I'm going to just do one. But do as many as you like. And think of them now. You might even think of them in your heart, feel them in your mind's eye, see them. And I'm going to broadcast now through the creator of all it is that you're connected into with that gold bond of light. And we're going to ask that these be put forth now for only that which is in our highest and best and those appropriately involved. Here we go. Thank you, creator of all that is. It is done. We thank you for that. Oh, and there's one more that's supposed to happen. This is a good one. Sometimes we're blocked from just letting in positivity or even just the love from the creator coming into our lives or our situations or our families. And sometimes all you need to do is just think about the love, unconditional love from the creator of all that is, flowing down into that situation or that person or yourself with a beautiful color. It might be golden light. It might be beautiful pink light, rose quartz light. And let that love and those beautiful colors just flow down over that. And so now we're going to do a situation clearing where we're going to allow all the benevolent colors and shapes, harmonious shapes and forms, simply imbue all of their love and all of their sacred geometry into everything involved in that person, that project, that situation. It's fully and completely in attunement and with the love of the creator of all that is, letting that flood through all that we are now. You can almost see this as a golden light, a golden pink, beautiful, radiant light washing down over all that you are, even over your homes, your businesses, the name of your business, the name of your website, and bringing that in. Letting that clear it out, all the old, all the stagnant, the discordant, and letting that harmony take over. We're broadcasting those codes now to make this happen fully and completely. And we're integrating these. Thank you, creator of all that is. And just breathing in that calm, that knowingness, that presence you have with your deep inner knowingness, that one gut sense, that intelligence that you always trust, knowing that it's clear and our outcomes are in alignment with our will, and knowing that we are always supported and protected and in alignment with the truth of the love of the creator, of the love of all that is. I hope this has been helpful. And I encourage you to share with me what you might be experiencing with these clearings, ideas for what you might want to get cleared in another big group clearing, and share this with other people you think would assist. I'll be doing these at least on Mondays and probably midweek. I'll do a little psychic weather with that too, just to understand the context of what we're operating in. But the main point of these psychic weather updates and energy clearings and attunements is to reinstill your own innate power and ability to create the desire that you want, because we all have that within ourselves. We just somehow forgot that or weren't taught that along the way. And yeah, there are probably forces and beings out there that don't want us to know that information, but it's there. We have it. And I'm just appreciative to have you join me at this time. I hope this has helped. And I look forward to seeing you again real soon.